Are you tired of having to machine soft jaws or build dedicated fixtures for every new job? Special soft jaws and fixtures can get overwhelming to manage and maintain. We have developed the Back Bolt Fixture Plate for a standard machine vise. This plate can be used to machine parts out of billet material. Part sizes can be micro or up to 5 by 11 inches. This fixture plate reduces setup time and eliminates vise pressure from bowing your part. Continue to watch and find out more. Hi, I am Jay McFarlane, owner of McChine. We are here to showcase the Back Bolt Fixture Plate, machined from durable 6061 T6 aluminum and currently available in two sizes, 4 by 8 inches and 6 by 12 inches. Each back bolt fixture plate has a 1/4 inch grid pattern with rows of 3/16 precision counterbore holes spaced out every inch. It is the perfect solution for machining non-ferrous materials including aluminum, brass, and plastic parts, especially for job runs up to 100 parts. While larger production runs might benefit from a traditional dedicated fixture, our back bolt fixture plate offers a unique advantage: the flexibility to start production immediately while you are still finalizing your dedicated fixture design. The maximum number of parts that can be machined simultaneously depends on the size of the parts and the fixture plate chosen. For small component, multiple parts can fit on a single plate, while larger parts may only allow one part to be machined at a time. Our unique back bolt design uses smaller 832 cap screws that pull your part down to the top of the back bolt fixture plate, offering several advantages. These 832 cap screws, when tightened, have a minimal protrusion of only 100,000ths of an inch above the fixture plate surface. Since the part is in the stock 150,000ths above the fixture plate, this minimal protrusion allows you to fully machine the entire part without having to worry about running into the fixture or one of the hold-down bolts. You'll minimize waste material, enjoy greater positioning flexibility, and eliminate common issues like part bowing and shifting. Plus, each screw will give you 490 pounds of holding force per screw, and your parts remain secure throughout the machining process. But here's the real time saver. Once you've established the back bolt fixture plate offset, you can machine a wide variety of parts without touching your machine setup. Simply reposition the 832 cap screws to match your new part, and you're ready to go. This zero-point system dramatically reduces setup time and maximizes your productivity. Let's outline the typical machining strategy for a part using the back bolt fixture plate. In setup 1, we'll load stock into a standard vise on parallels. First operation will drill and tap holes for hold down holes. 2. Machine the second position nesting surface, leaving two 3/16 diameter posts that are 50,000ths tall around 2 of the tapped holes. 3. Mill a 50,000ths deep pocket to the base of the part. The pocket should be 10,000ths larger than the part's outer profile, except in the areas where the tab will be located. In those areas, the pocket profile should be 10,000ths inside the part profile for approximately 100 to 150,000ths long. 4. Machine any additional part surfaces, such as pockets, holes, that do not go all the way through the part. Setup 2. Parts are loaded on the back bolt fixture plate in a machine vise on parallels. 1. Rough out excess material from the entire part, leaving a minimum of 10,000 stock around the profile and staying 10,000ths above the bottom surface of the part. 2. Finish machining the remaining features of the part. The final operation is to machine the part profile, net, and expose the tabs. Typically, this involves 2 finish passes around the profile. The first pass is 10,000ths above the bottom of the part, ensuring the part remains fully secure. On the second pass, lower the cutter 10,000ths below the bottom of the part, starting in the middle of one of the tabs. 3. Remove the part from the picture frame, and you're done. If you're eager to learn more or ready to purchase your own back bolt fixture plate, please visit our website at McChine.com. We're confident that this innovative tool will revolutionize your machining process.